Let us look at the student card. We will use the OCR program to extract all the words. Then we put them into a row of words. Name it as text. Now use the regEx code to find the data you want. Let's say I want to extract the name, student number, class, address, and sex of the person. Here is the code. Next, we will learn how to write the code. Start and end the code with a slash. Indicate the beginning with a caret. It follows by all the words in the whole first line. Use \s to indicate the next word after spaces or the next line. Next, \s and followed by the word student. Then \s card. Next, \s and followed by the word name. Then, \s student and \s number. Finally, we reach the first input what we want, the name. We denote what we want with a bracket. Use a full stop and a plus to include all the words we want. In this case, we include Chan, So, Heng. But we need to indicate where to stop. In this case, we need to include all the words before the character A. Use the question mark to indicate where to stop, and define clearly what the question mark represents. In this case, we extract the name in front and stop where we find A or B. Use a square bracket to denote A or B. To summarize, both the brackets represent the name. The next part, we include all characters after the name. We simply use a full stop and a plus. Next, we include class with \s and class. And the third information with \s, full stop plus with bracket. Let me just recap briefly what we have just learned. The regEx code extract two information in this line: the name and the student number. Then we proceed to the next line. We need to acknowledge the word, although it is not what we want to extract. The next information that we want to extract is in one line by itself. You can switch to the next line with \s. And to include all the information in the line with a full stop plus in a bracket. Next, \s address, \s sex. It follows by the two more information we want happen on the same line, the address and sex. Extra the address with a full stop and a plus, followed by a question mark. Indicate the question mark as M or F inside a square bracket. The last information, M, can be extracted with a full stop and a plus inside a bracket. To execute the program, you can download from the link below. Unzip it and place them inside the OCR folder. Open the folder OCR with your Visual Studio Code program. Remember, do not click on the HTML file, click on the folder. The HTML file has three parts: the table, the OCR to convert the image to text, and the regEx code. This is the regEx code we discussed in this tutorial. Click on the image, make sure you are reading the correct one. Right-click your mouse. Run Live Server to view your output. Open the image. The data will show on the table. Now let's take a look how the regEx code works in the program. You may be interested to test your regEx codes in other examples in our practices. Now proceed to our practices. Good luck!